Hello. Today, we learn how to write a JavaScript program that extracts the middle character or characters from any given string. Whether the string length is odd or even, we'll handle it gracefully and return exactly the middle part. That is a neat little string manipulation challenge, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Strings have positions called indexes starting at 0. For odd length strings like ABC, the middle string is just one character here, B. For even length strings like ABCD, there are two middle characters, BC. Our task is to create a function that takes any string and returns its middle characters based on this logic. Here's the main function. First, we get the length of the string. We then check if it's odd or even using the modular operator. For odd lengths, the middle index is length minus 1 divided by 2. We slice out one character starting from there. For even lengths, the middle starts at length divided by 2 minus 1, and we slice two characters. The slice method extracts the parts of the string based on these calculated positions. Let's see the flow. We start by getting the string's length. Then we check if the length is odd or even. Based on that, we calculate where to start extracting. Finally, we use slice to get the middle characters. The function returns exactly what we want in a clean and readable way. Here are some examples to solidify what we've learned. For ABCD, the middle two characters BC are returned. For ABC, just a single middle character B. For the longer JavaScript, the middle two characters S and C come out correctly. This works consistently regardless of the string size. This little function is more useful than it seems. Extracting middle parts of strings can help in data parsing or text processing. It is handy when you want to highlight or preview key parts of the user input in a UI. And it's a common coding interview question to sharpen your string manipulation skills. Mastering these basics makes you a stronger JavaScript developer. To summarize, we wrote a neat JavaScript function that finds the middle character or characters of any string. By calculating length and checking if it's odd or even, we pick the right slice of the string. This approach is both simple and powerful for many real-world string tasks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.